right, just kind of going over some of the projects we got going on at Kip Motor currently. Right now we're working on this kind of later model MGB, kind of working on cleaning out the engine bay. You might have seen a video we did recently kind of pulling the engine bay all apart. So up in that kind of pedal box corner was pretty well kind of, I don't know, all the fluid had escaped the reservoirs and kind of leaked down everywhere, as kind of is common on these cars. So kind of put rust converter on all that stuff and kind of getting it all ready for the pedal box to go back in. Over here we have the 47 Lincoln, which is kind of a new arrival. Got Kern and Kip kind of working on it currently, but kind of, it's a pretty obscure car, kind of a little bit more of a uncommon, but working on the ignition system on this one, so kind of working through all the fun little electrical gremlins. So plenty going on at Kip Motor currently.